In this video, I will show you how to audit and improve ChatGPT responses by using precise constraints. Let's get started. I start by entering a highly specific prompt for a leather notebook description, requiring each sentence to begin with a letter from the word craft, while strictly limiting the allowed adjectives. Looking at the results, the AI successfully follows the acronym format but fails to limit its vocabulary, including several unauthorized descriptive words. This initial output demonstrates how generative models often prioritize linguistic variety over strict technical limitations unless they are pushed further. Next, I ask the AI to perform a self-audit to identify exactly where it failed to follow my instructions and then rewrite the response for full compliance. The model correctly identifies that it used forbidden words like refined and relevant in its first attempt. It then generates a much shorter, fully compliant version that adheres perfectly to the acronym structure and the specific list of adjectives I provided. Finally, I ask for 5 examples of poorly written instructions and how to rewrite them for more reliable results. ChatGPT provides a detailed list covering common pitfalls like vague constraints, hidden rules, and overloaded instructions. These examples show that providing specific, measurable rules and clear structural requirements is the most effective way to ensure the AI follows every instruction to the letter. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.